Hi, so yeah, just a minute, so I won't talk about the Man United match last night. Unfortunately, a Man United fan, so there we go. But yeah, I'm working bioinformatics. I'm down at the medical school. Over my career, I've sort of worked on lots of different areas of bioinformatics, but since moving to the medical school, we've been increasingly working on medically related questions. So looking at things like cell therapies for cancer, using AI to help improve those. And since Isambard's been here, we've been using that increasingly as well for our research. So over a number of things we've been using, we've developed these things called in silico pull downs, where we are able to take a protein of interest and pull down against the rest of the genome. So around about something like 1 million interactions we've predicted with that now. But also just we're kind of very highly collaborative. So just to highlight another example where we've used Isambard AI, is we modelled this beast of a biomolecular machine called the spliceosome. And basically we took mutation data and we're able to give a mechanistic interpretation for the mutations. So able to basically patch up why the mutations affected the spliceosome and were driving this disease that is related to neurodevelopmental disorders. So that's a very quick overview.
Thank you, Jon.